Decision Theory Explained. How Managers Make Rational Choices Under Uncertainty. Welcome back. Every day, managers face a barrage of choices. Should we launch this product? Should we expand into a new market? Should we hire more staff? What separates a good manager from a great one? The quality of their decisions. This video breaks down the decision theory approach in management, exploring how leaders use logic, probability, and data to navigate certainty, risk, and total uncertainty. We cover the decision matrix, payoff tables, and the criteria for making the best move when the stakes are high. In management, guessing isn't a strategy. That's where decision theory comes in. It is a systematic, mathematical, and logical approach to making the best possible choice in complex situations. Today, we are breaking down the framework that turns uncertainty into calculated strategy. Section 1. What is the decision theory approach? Decision theory is part of the quantitative school of management. It assumes that decision-making is the core job of a manager. It involves three key components. 1. The decision maker, the individual or group responsible for the choice. 2. Alternatives, acts, the different strategies you can choose from. 3. States of nature, external factors you cannot control, like the economy, competitor moves, or weather. The goal is to choose the alternative that provides the highest payoff based on the likely state of nature. Section 2. The three decision environments. How you make a decision depends entirely on how much information you have. We categorize this into three environments. 1. Decision under certainty. The scenario, you have complete knowledge of the outcome for every alternative. The goal, your optimization. Example, choosing the cheapest supplier for the exact same raw material. 2. Decision under risk. The scenario, you don't know exactly what will happen, but you know the probabilities. Example, there is a 60% chance the market grows and a 40% chance it stays flat. The tool, expected monetary value, EMV. You multiply the payoff by the probability to find the best average outcome.